Okay, let's end this battery changing saga. Now I have done it coding like soon 5 times and now hopefully the last time. This time I forget to put these key rings there, so I have to do the both of the keys again. So let's put this there. You basically open it. Can I do it with one hand? No, maybe. If you have many keys, you need to look that the pin on the lower right corner matches the upper right corner. That's where we come. That was one of the problem I had. And now I will put that there. Blop. So that there. Close the lid. Slide it back there. Now key should be working. But since it's again battery changed, basically the alarm will come off. And again, put the ignition on, alarm will ring. When there's battery and engine check light on, then you turn the key off and press the unlock button, and then it clicks and does the coding. Alarm rings, battery and engine check comes, and I didn't do it. Let's try again. Aha, now I did it fast enough. And now I have a working key. The timing is very tricky. I have done it now so many times that it's very tricky to get it correct, but now I have a key ring there. What I recommend you to do is to have a spare battery stored somewhere in your car and instruction if this happens on some long road trip or something. It's much easier to do it yourself than take it to some battery shop and they don't know the procedure either, so save the instructions somewhere or know that there will be this video online which hopefully helps you to change the Audi A2 battery in the correct way. Thanks for watching.